So today I am finally going to confront my worst nightmare, and that is organizing my closet.
I know what we can do. What? We can have a seance in the secret passage and we all sleep over and try to talk to the ghosts of these sisters. We can ask them questions.
Hi guys, it's your fashion system and welcome back to my channel. I'm not the clumsiest person. Every time you see me wearing something, I like to take it off and put it right on my floor. And then it becomes a complete mess. And then my posts become inconsistent because I am uninspired to get up in the tornado that I have created. This has been my resolution every year. And I always kind of fake clean. But today we are going to clean Marie Kondo style. This has been a trend on the internet and I have ignored it. I do watch and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do that, but I'm procrastinating because I click the next video and the next video and the next video and the next video, people cleaning their closets, and then I feel like I clean my closet. I sound crazy, I hate cleaning. But yeah, so I'm hoping when I deep clean today, it will last me a little bit longer so that I can continue putting out great content and getting inspired by the stuff I can actually see in my closet, because I can't see anything at this point. Being a thrifter is really dangerous because you find like cute things, you're like, oh my gosh. Let me give you an example. From 1989, it's a cute little Kish nursery piggy bank. Do I have money around? Actually, that would have been bad if I just picked up a penny off the ground. That would have proved how messy I am. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're cleaner than this. Yeah, so he's a cute little piggy bank. And let's say I'm in the thrift store. I see this little guy, but it doesn't fit my room or my aesthetic. I'll still put it in my shopping cart. And that's the danger zone of a thrifter. I'll put it in my shopping cart and be like, this is so cute to pass up. I can sell it. And then I never post it anywhere. Now I have one more thing to add to my mess. And that's how you become a hoarder, kids. This is serious. So, and I was staring at pictures of the Virgin Mary shop all yesterday and I was like, oh, this store is so nice. Everything is so organized. They're like my biggest inspiration for like my room and aesthetic. They are the creators of Cult Party K, and of course Cult Party K has it's not as popular and relevant, but there's similarities in their stuff still, and their sourcing, and their clothes, and their space, and I love it so much, and that's how I aspire myself and my room and everything to be. So, I need to clean first. Because this mess has started in the beginning of 2019 and I can't let 2020 go on any longer with this mess from 2019 in my room. So let's go ahead and clean. I'm doing it Marie Kondo style. And if you don't know who Marie Kondo is, she is a Japanese cleaner and organizer enthusiast. She loves to clean. Not me, I can't relate. And if you don't know who she is, you need to get more organized. And she lines it up in 3 ways. So first you just have to grab all your clothes, put them on top of each other in a big pile and just start from the top. And I'm gonna have 3 sections. I'm gonna have keeping, I'm gonna have resourcing because I don't want to trash anything, but if I could use like the lace for something else, then that's what I would like to do. And then my 3rd pile is going to be donating. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here is what we are working with. It is a IKEA clothing rack that you can't see. So this I would consider all of my J-fashion and alternative styled clothing. We'll do that first. In front of my little clothing rack that I look humongous against with this angle. I don't know why I look so big, but here we are. I want to move my porcelain goodies. I know this isn't the safest place to have them, but I love it so much when this is clean and then these are featured here and there's like folded clothes behind them, it just looks so beautiful. So, and I like to switch them out depending on the holiday. So yeah, I am going to move them. Here is this little kitty, and I literally went to an antique store in a different state and they had the same one but with a blue color, and I didn't buy it, and I should have, because they would have been the cutest couple in the world. So there's that one. I'm gonna put it over here. This one is my personal favorite. I don't even care which season it is, I will always keep this bunny up. Literally the most precious thing I've ever seen. So I'm gonna put that over here. The next one is just like a little drummer kitty in the cutest dress, plays music and stuff. And then the last one that I have featured in there is this beautiful unicorn. It has this really cute corsage on the side. Adorable. So now that all of that is gone, I am going to start laying everything on the ground. We'll start with the shelves. Oh my gosh, I found a dime. Like, I didn't expect this of me when I first started dressing alternative, that all my clothes would be like, I thought, oh, I'm gonna have like whites and creams, but like all my stuff looks like Easter, like an Easter egg cracked on my closet. My favorite turtleneck, it's literally like the same as this white one that I'm wearing, but they're such an essential, and I wear so many sheer things. Like I love layering with the turtleneck. Like I wait for winter. Can you see me now? Oh my gosh, my shirt. I wait for winter just so I can layer with my two favorite turtlenecks. Okay, so I guess we know we're keeping this, but I'm gonna put it in the pile for the video. Look at Christmas. Oh my god. Ooh, I'm probably not gonna get rid of that. This is a 1950s beautiful bed robe. Right, so this is now what we are working with, and that's just from the rack. All this fit on it, so this is nothing yet, because like I said, I have clothes everywhere. So you guys aren't confused, I have two closets. One's really teeny, and my J Fashion alternative closet is the one that I'm mostly featuring in this video, but my other closet is just full of my mom's clothes, but in the little corner I have a couple of clothes that I like to switch on and off to go to work, because if I wore my alternative and J Fashion clothes to work, I would get dress coded. So I do keep some regular schmegular clothes, and that is what I am pulling out of the closet right now and adding to my clothing rack clothes. This is the basket. It's full of the stuff that I would re-put my clothes in instead of putting them in the spots they need to be. We're just gonna dump that out. And then I'm gonna use this basket for things that I am... Which one should I use it for? Things that I am... Oh, donating. I don't see myself wearing this again, so I'm going to sell this. I mentioned I was going to sell, and in the beginning of the video I only gave 3 groups, but I've realized there are 4 groups. I'm keeping, resourcing, donating, and selling. So yeah, just wanted to clarify so no one's confused. Okay guys, so I have a little update. In the basket I have everything that I am donating so far, and I'm gonna put it into this trash bag. This is like the first group of donations. And I'm just gonna give my thanks and put them in the bag. This blouse, actually I'm debating between these two. When I first started my J fashion journey, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna collect the weirdest tops. So I got this one and this one, but I think they could go to a better home. So I am going to donate both of these. This is a cute thing that I only wore once, and I'll insert a photo. I wore it for a Halloween photo, but I was trying to be like a cute little ghost girl, so I only wore it once and I'm not gonna wear it again. This is a weird texture and a weird color. I don't really reach for this lavender or purples. This dress I wore so much. It's from H&M. Love this dress, but the one thing I hate is how much I have to iron it every time I freaking wear it. So I'm just going to thread this through so people can have a little loop string. And if someone has more patience than me or has a steamer, if I had a steamer I'd keep it, but I don't. So it just keeps getting wrinkly and I'm over it. But at the same time I love it so much. But thank you. This is like a jumpsuit that I got from Forever 21 for like $5. I don't know if I should keep it or for like my everyday wear or give it away, because I don't wear a lot of jumpsuits, you know, and I can already see it lying in my room. So I'm gonna go ahead and donate it. Thank you for everything. And I'm gonna insert the cute little skeleton post that I made with this. I bought it for Halloween and I wanted to be a skeleton, but like a fashionable skeleton, so I threw this on top of like a skeleton pullover and made the cutest little outfit. I love that outfit. So the stuff that I am selling is getting a little out of hand, so I'm gonna go ahead and put those in the basket instead, and then put the stuff that I'm donating in bags. So that is what I'm doing now. Alright, so it didn't take me that long to finish at all, and yeah, I am finished organizing. So now the closet looks like this. There's some pieces I need to blend a little better. I don't really color code, I just go by style. I try, but all my colors are really random. Like I said, it looks like Easter kind of threw up on my wardrobe, and this is what we have. I'll just pull out a couple things that I wanted to keep, and yeah. The first little category are like layering pieces. So I have like this one. I thought this would be really timeless over white t-shirts. One of the other categories that I like to keep, I think of head, and I have a couple spring pieces. So I have this from Sugar Thrills. I have this from AliExpress. I really wanted a dress with angel print on it, and AliExpress prints pictures on stuff, so got this. Other category, which is like chiffon layering pieces. I have 4 here. I have this white baby doll dress. I have this yellow one. This is really pretty puffy sleeves and lace detailing inside. I have the plain light blue one that has little bows on the sleeves. And this just makes everything look like it's floating. And then I have this really pretty unique color. It's like a blue purple. I don't know how to explain this color, but it is so beautiful. And yeah, so I kept those. If you're interested in dressing Cult Party K and Dolly K, if you're interested in Vintage K, these are all sub-styles of Japanese street fashion. This could also work if you're into like angel core, soft girl aesthetic, and if you're just inspired by vintage fashion, then this is the alternative wardrobe for you, because that's all my inspirations. A J Fashion piece here. This is from Listen Flavor. This is their Angel Bear shirt. It is so cute, and it just has the Listen Flavor tag. I really want more J Fashion pieces. I thrift a lot, but this year I would like to, one of my goals is just to save up and invest in my favorite brands. I just want a lot of pieces from my favorite brands, so that is what I'm going to be doing this year. And yeah, I'm starting off by cleaning and organizing my closet so that I could see what I could sell just to put towards pieces that I actually really want. Those are a couple of the things that I decided to keep. I am still not finished because I have to fold my sweaters into these drawers and put up my porcelain babies back in their slots, but I did get done organizing and figuring out what I want to keep, what I want to sell, and what I want to donate. And that was a lot of clothes, so I'm really happy. Yeah. So yeah. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna be really busy. I finished, but I do want to post a basket full of things onto my Depop, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Yes. And as for the video, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it inspired you guys to clear out your closets and get a little bit more organized, because it's actually really fun and motivating when you get it done. And it actually didn't even take that long. I was being a total drama queen and procrastinating, and it literally only took me 2 hours and 30 minutes. I started at 12:30 and ended at 2:52. And it was really easy, and once you get in the groove of things, you start remembering all your clothes and what you have, and it inspires you, so you have the energy to just keep going and just keep cleaning. And I think that's why Marie Kondo likes to clean a lot, but the thought of it I don't like. When I'm in the groove of it, I do like. So I need to get myself out of that mindset. We have to organize our closets. It is 2020. Don't let 2019, don't let an old decade of clothes be in your closet. Clear them out, get them out. We don't need last year's clothing in our wardrobe no more, unless it's your favorite things. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned next week because I'm going to come right back at you with a new video. Bye.